2015 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. What we got done on it for you guys. Still got factory converters up there. One there. One there. Then it's got two secondary converters right there. Then it winds into a single. We kept the resonator. He didn't want it too loud. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And we did a rear muffler delete. There and there with a custom Y pipe. There's the original muffler. It's like 50 pounds. Super long. There's the muffler delete that we did on it. Right there. And right there. Into black 4-inch tips. This side and this side. If you guys like it, please subscribe. Hit the like button. And do everything that you guys do to support us and keep us going. We really appreciate everything you guys do with us. And I hope you guys like the content that we produce. Let you guys hear it in a second. Honda Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter. Much better. Oh yeah. That sounds really good. What do you guys think? Let us know. Again? Rev it up higher. There we go. There's sound decibels. Again. It's right at 112. 118. Oh, that's awesome. You guys like it? All right. Now you can actually hear it. You know, it's breathing. That sounds so good. It's good to keep that resonator on it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Hyundai Genesis Coupe 3.8 liter rear muffler delete with 4-inch black tips. Traffic, traffic, traffic.